This video is sponsored by Simbans. I reached out to them and asked them if I could review their tablet. I honestly didn't think they would say yes, but they did. And I was told I would get it on the 7th, and I got it on the 5th. So their shipping is really awesome. The Picasso tablet has a 10-inch display and runs on Android Pie 9.0. It does come with two pre-installed apps, one being Autodesk Sketchbook and Artflow. It has palm rejection, but when I used it on my drawing software, it didn't want to cooperate, so I had to put something on my foot so that the strokes of my foot weren't being recognized as me drawing on the tablet. One thing I do want to mention is it only costs $10 to order a new charger pack, which is a big help if you're on a tight budget. The tablet costs $229.95 on Amazon. It comes with 32 gigabyte, which can also be upgraded to 128 gigabyte with the help of a micro SD card, and it runs on 2 gigabyte of RAM. It holds a decent charge. The average battery life is 5 hours, but it honestly felt like longer for me. I never had an issue in terms of finishing a project before the tablet died. The tablet weighs in at 2.91 pounds, which is awesome because you can just take it on the go. They do provide a carrying case. Well, not a carrying case. They do provide a case for the tablet, which you can prop up. If you say you want to watch a video on YouTube or Netflix, you can just use the little flap on the back, and there you go. The amount of gigabyte that the tablet has not only allows me to edit my videos on YouTube, but it also allows me to kick back and just relax and watch videos. I do recommend this tablet if you're on a tight budget. I know $229 is a lot for some people. I mean, it's a lot even for me. But by the time you buy a laptop and you buy a drawing tablet, you're gonna spend more, because drawing tablets are pretty expensive, even the cheaper ones. The only thing that I had issues with was figuring out where the pen is, but that's just hand-eye coordination of me getting used to it, because I went through the same thing when I bought my first Wacom tablet back in 2018. I had to get used to it, and it was a little frustrating, but after I got used to it, it was a walk in the park. So I definitely recommend this, because when you get this tablet, you don't have to get the computer. So you save money, and you're able to do other things, not just draw. The only downside that I experienced with this tablet is when I Skyped with my best friend, it lagged really bad. But that was it. Everything else worked really good. The speakers on it is awesome, and I'm glad that I was able to have this experience. case you're wondering how good the speakers work, here's an example of me just relaxing and watching one of Poland's videos.
But sadly,